welcome back to Take the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your battery health on Samsung. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings and click on that. So once you click on this, you're going to scroll down to battery life and open up the battery. So once you go to battery, you're going to see battery information right here. Click on battery information and you should be seeing battery status and also battery health, battery level. But if you can't find it here, there's another way you can actually do that. Go all the way down to device care right here. Click on device care and wait for it to load up. You can click on battery. Once you click on battery, you can go down to where it says battery information. Click on that and you should see battery health. But if you can't see this, another way to actually do this, so you can actually go up and search for members app on Samsung, this right here. And if you don't have it, you can go to your Play Store or your Samsung store to actually install that. And you're going to go to diagnostics, click on that and click on phone diagnostic, and you're going to see all this. So you can see your battery status right here, and if it says good, you can see the life says good right here, so means that your battery health is good. But if it says weak or bad, means it's not good, your battery life is not good. But you can see literally that my battery life is good, and this is how to literally just check your battery health. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.